Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to redeem your paysafe card voucher. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably wondering what a paysafe card is. It's basically a prepaid gift card that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to stay safe online, as you don't have to give out your credit card information. So, how do you redeem a paysafe card? Well, it's actually quite easy. I'm going to walk you through the steps, so you can do it yourself. Step 1. Find the website or app where you want to use your paysafe card. Paysafe cards can be used at a variety of websites and apps, including online retailers, gaming platforms, and streaming services. So, the first thing you need to do is find the website or app where you want to use your voucher. Step 2. Look for the Pay with Paysafe Card option. Once you're on the website or app, you'll need to look for the Pay with Paysafe Card option. This is usually located on the checkout page. Step 3. Enter your paysafe card code. After you click on the Pay with Paysafe Card option, you'll be prompted to enter your paysafe card code. This is the 16-digit code that's printed on the back of your voucher. Step 4. Confirm your payment. Once you've entered your paysafe card code, you'll need to confirm your payment. This will typically involve clicking on a Submit or Confirm button. Step 5. Enjoy your purchase. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy your purchase. Additional tips. If you have any problems redeeming your paysafe card, you can contact paysafe card customer support. You can use multiple paysafe cards to make a single purchase. Paysafe cards are valid for 12 months from the date of purchase. So, there you have it. How to redeem your paysafe card voucher. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy shopping.